It's the story of our founder, actually. He used to do business between the MENA region, and traveling above the Sahara, big Sahara, he saw the immense sunlight coming to the earth, and he thought this energy should be used to help people, to give them a more power to produce their food sustainably. A couple of years ago, we succeeded to build the first solar convection oven. The solar convection oven can bake bread using renewable energy, mainly solar energy and other resources of clean energy. It's an industrial scale oven that can produce anything between 3,000 loaves of bread up to hundreds of thousands, depends on the production size or the need, the community need. The need is growing very fast. So we want to go globally, more than just Lebanon, and we want to reach these communities very rapidly. We want to increase the impact to deliver clean baked bread to communities that are in need for food and bread. We believe that no single company can achieve or can help solving food insecurity alone. The Forward Food program has all the connections, all the network, all the know-how to reach communities to help them.